Hey, here's what's up. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the checklist for your tasks and for your team members on ClickUp. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to ClickUp, log into your account, and here on the left side, select the space you would like to work on. Next, select an associated list here, and here to the right, simply choose the task you would like to add the checklist to. So I will go with that task for demonstration purposes. That is going to open up that overview of the given task. So what you want to do, guys, is scroll down a bit and click on that section here, action items. And you can create a new checklist by clicking on the plus icon here and by clicking on checklist there. Usually though, there should be stored a default checklist like that here to the left, so you can simply customize it by clicking on it and by clicking on these three dots here to the right. If you click on these three dots, you will be given access to the drop-down menu, so you can either add an item to a checklist or rename the checklist or delete it. So to add items or tasks for your checklist, like for example, if you're working on a project, simply click on add item and below customize and edit that item. For instance, let's give it a name like, I don't know, setup ad campaign, for example, if you're working on a marketing campaign. So that would be item number 1. And after that, you can, for instance, assign team members and users to that task by clicking on that button here, or by clicking on these three dots and by clicking on assign to, and by clicking on team members from that list below, or simply by entering the given user's email address here, so that the given team member may receive an email invitation to either accept or to decline. And what you want to do also, guys, is, for example, if you have completed an item or task, you can simply check this box here to the left so that the given item will be marked as finished. As you can see here at the top, 1 of 1 tasks of that given checklist has been completed successfully. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.